Chmut statu. Hi, Greg Linteris here. It's a pleasure and honor for me to be able to talk to you guys today. Back in 1997, I went up in space on the space shuttle. And back then, a lot of space shuttle missions were devoted to science. There was a laboratory that would go in the cargo bay, and it was filled with all these experiments: combustion, fluid mechanics, biology, protein crystal growth. And I was part of the mission to help conduct the experiments. My area of specialty was combustion, fire. We were studying how does fire behave in space without gravity, because without gravity we could study it better than we can on Earth. The first question I want to answer for you is where I got the flag, the Friûl flag that I brought with me to space. I got it from my dad's cousin. My dad's first cousin, Sarah Alfenere, married Mario Fava, and they live in Toronto. And we had this close friendship between the families. And he was very active with the local Friûl organization in Toronto. And so he asked me if I would bring the flag with me. And of course, I was very proud and very happy to bring it with me. The flag. Why did I take the flag? Astronauts get to bring personal items with them along on the mission. And usually these personal items have meaning to us. Something about the people in our lives, the places in our lives, the organizations, the things that helped to make us who we are, that helped us along the way. And so for me to bring a place that represented my heritage was very, very wonderful for me and made me very happy. My Friûl identity really comes through my father. My father was raised up until he was about 10 years old by his mom in Friûl because my grandfather had come to America to make money to try to bring the rest of the family. So my dad was raised up until he was 10 by the community. My grandfather was an orphan who was raised by the community. And they had these qualities. They were both very hardworking, very honest, very forthright, very honorable. They believed in the goodness of people. They believed in treating people well with kindness. And my dad always made me very proud because he did so much always for the community and for the family and for us. He was generous and hardworking and honest and direct. And I am very honored and proud to think that this community, this place, gave my parents and my relatives these qualities, which I hope to some extent I have and I can pass on and share. Thanks, Mandi.